To fix an electric oven that is not maintaining temperature, there are several potential causes to consider. A faulty thermostat is one possible reason, and this can be diagnosed by preheating the oven to a specific temperature and then measuring the internal temperature with a thermometer. If the reading does not match the thermostat, it may be necessary to replace the thermostat, which is typically located behind the control knob. Another possible cause is a defective heating element, which can be checked by preheating the oven and observing the heating elements at the top and bottom. If they do not glow, they are likely burnt out and should be replaced as soon as possible. A bad temperature sensor could also be at fault, and to check this, locate the sensor at the top right-hand corner of the oven and consult the instruction manual to determine how to access it. Once accessed, check that the sensor is not in direct contact with the oven walls and that its wires are not damaged. If either of these issues is present, the sensor should be replaced. By following these steps, it should be possible to identify and fix the issue causing the electric oven to fail to maintain temperature.